YouTube and welcome to my channel. In this special Marvel themed episode, we are going to be drawing everybody's favorite and most adorable Avenger, Baby Groot.
I am Inky.
This is my helpful companion and friend.
I am Inky.
Shall we get started, Inky?
I am Inky.
I take that as a yes. Let's go. The first step is to draw Baby Groot's head. You do this shape. A U with a jagged line on top. Then on the inside, you do 2 circles, like that. Then under those circles, you do 2 dots, and you connect those dots with a line like that. You also draw a circle here, another circle here, a littler circle beside those, and a line here. Then you fill in this part.
Fun fact, Baby Groot is a species called the Flora colossi. They speak their own special language, but to us humans, it sounds like, I am Groot.
Then, you draw a shape there, and then draw a leaf, which is a teardrop shape with a little line in the middle. Next, you do some lines like that. Lines there. And lines here.
I would think it would be really easy to draw Baby Groot.
Why, Inky?
Because he's a stick figure. Get it?
Then you do a line here.
Another fun fact. Baby Groot has the power of chlorokinesis, which means he can control all of plant life.
A line here. 4 of these here. And the same thing on the other side.
Do you know what Baby Groot's favorite drink is?
What?
Groot beer.
Then you do a line like that. A line here. And this shape here. The next step is draw several lines like this on each arm.
Baby Groot looks very strong.
Those aren't muscles, those are twigs.
Oh, got it.
And then do more here.
One last fun fact. When Groot first appeared in the comics, he was a bad guy. Can you imagine this adorable guy being evil? I can't.
Then you do some lines here. Then you're done with your Baby Groot. I'm going to color mine in time lapse. And that's all for this Baby Groot. Whoa, looks like we brought him to life. Anyway, thanks for suggesting this, Sojin. If anybody else has any suggestions, you can email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. See you later. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye. I am Inky. And keep on drawing.